Hi, welcome to Myrtle's Detox and Wellness Spa. Today we're going to be making a vegan fudge, 4-ingredient vegan fudge. Very first time. In the last video, I made a coconut butter using coconut flakes, and now we have the coconut butter here to make our coconut fudge. So the ingredients are half cup of coconut butter, half cup of maple syrup, a half cup of cashews that were then soaked. So if you look in the cup, you see that they're swollen because they were soaked. And then we have here, it says half a teaspoon of vanilla. Well, I put a little bit more than half a teaspoon. So that's our 4 ingredients that's going to go into our blender. So the first, we're going to put in our cashews. Here's our blender. That's our soaked cashews. And then we have our coconut butter. Okay, coconut butter needs some help. Alright, after I'm finished pouring in the coconut butter, then I am going to blend those two together and then add the other ingredients. So here we go. So let's get all of that good coconut butter out of there. Okay. And then we are going to blend. Okay, now that we're finished blending, we're going to pour this into a container. I lined it with a piece of parchment paper, and I'm going to just basically just pour it out into the container and put it in the refrigerator to set. Right. Okay, there we have it. Guess I'm gonna have to do this left-handed. Looks pretty good. Looks almost like fudge. So we'll see what the end product is like tomorrow. Not sure if you've seen what I'm doing. Let's see here. Okay. Cut off some of this parchment paper. I just needed some extra length on it in order to remove this from the container tomorrow without it sticking.